Tired of streaky windows and exhausting cleanups? Let technology do the work for you. The best window cleaning robots offer a hands-free, efficient solution to keep your glass spotless, perfect for modern homes, offices, and hard-to-reach areas. Number 1. Ecovacs W2 Window Cleaning Robot. The Ecovacs W2 Window Cleaning Robot is a premium solution for hands-free window cleaning with cutting-edge features that prioritize both convenience and efficiency. Its dual power modes make it suitable for various cleaning environments. When operating on battery mode, it provides up to 110 minutes of runtime, ideal for areas without accessible power outlets like balconies or bathrooms. On the other hand, the plugged-in mode supports continuous cleaning, perfect for large glass surfaces, all while helping to preserve battery health by preventing full discharges. At the heart of its design is a 6-in-1 multifunctional station that acts as a control panel, charger, stabilizer, and storage unit, making setup and maintenance seamless. The upgraded 3-nozzle wide-angle spray system improves water pressure by 100%, making it easier to dissolve and eliminate grime in one smooth motion. Additionally, the WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning and a new brushless motor enhance cleaning efficiency by 30%, ensuring optimized routes, smooth turns, and reliable edge detection. The design also incorporates smart safety features to ensure a secure operation, even when used on tall windows or challenging angles. The robot adheres securely to the window using powerful suction, and should power fail, an integrated UPS system keeps it safely in place for up to 30 minutes. The washable microfiber cleaning pads are reusable and easy to replace, keeping maintenance costs low over time. With its thoughtful engineering and powerful performance, the Ecovacs W2 offers an elite, automated window cleaning experience that saves time, reduces physical effort, and leaves your glass gleaming with minimal involvement. Number 2. Ecovacs WINBOT Window Cleaning Robot. The Ecovacs WINBOT Window Cleaning Robot combines powerful cleaning features with enhanced safety and navigation systems, making it an excellent choice for both residential and commercial use. One of its most standout features is the 3-nozzles wide-angle spray system, which delivers water more effectively and increases cleaning performance. This system, paired with a high-performance wet cloth, ensures grime and dirt are broken down and wiped away efficiently, providing a streak-free finish every time. Powered by a robust brushless motor and enhanced WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning, the robot can map its path effectively, increasing overall cleaning efficiency by 30%. It adapts easily to different window sizes and types, including framed, frameless, tilted, and floor-to-ceiling models. Safety is a major highlight of this device, with its advanced 10-level protection system offering robust protection through both hardware and software measures. This includes 6 hardware-based safeguards against falls, 3 intelligent monitoring functions, and even insurance coverage for accidental damage. The addition of an innovative steady climbing system powered by a water and friction-resistant rubber belt ensures smooth movement and consistent traction, especially during wet wiping. The system smartly reduces water contact on wheels for better grip and improved safety during upward and downward climbs. The WINBOT also benefits from a sleek design and quiet operation, making it less intrusive while in use. Altogether, the Ecovacs WINBOT offers a perfect balance between cleaning performance, intelligent automation, and rigorous safety, delivering peace of mind with sparkling clean results. Number 3. Ecovacs WINBOT Mini Window Cleaning Robot. The Ecovacs WINBOT Mini Window Cleaning Robot is an ideal solution for users who need a compact and efficient cleaner for smaller or more complex window structures. Its slim and lightweight design makes it particularly effective for hard-to-reach spots, including windows with narrow frames, handles, or tight corners. Capable of cleaning window panes smaller than 30 centimeters per side, it excels in areas that are typically off-limits to bulkier robots. One of the standout features is its ultrasonic water spray system, which atomizes water into a fine mist for gentle yet effective cleaning. This advanced misting technique not only removes tough stains but also conserves water and avoids streaking, making it safe for even delicate glass. By minimizing the use of harsh cleaning agents, it also offers an eco-friendlier solution. Safety has not been compromised despite its small size. The WINBOT Mini comes equipped with a 9-stage protection system combining 6 hardware-based anti-fall measures, 2 layers of intelligent protection, and insurance against accidental damage. This robust system ensures secure operation, especially on elevated or unusually shaped windows. Its operation is quiet and energy efficient, making it suitable for frequent use. Ideal for apartment dwellers or homeowners with uniquely designed glass surfaces, the WINBOT Mini delivers a high standard of cleanliness in a small but mighty package. Number 4. Etry Window Cleaning Robot. The Etry Window Cleaning Robot is a high-powered, feature-rich solution for those seeking spotless windows with minimal manual effort. One of its main strengths lies in its robust 3,500 Pascal suction power, enhanced by an advanced triple-layer turbine system that delivers 42% more strength than typical industry models. This impressive suction is supported by an ultrasonic dual spray system that efficiently atomizes water from its 70 milliliters smart tank, allowing it to cover up to 320 square feet on a single fill. Whether tackling dry dust or sticky grime, the Etry robot handles it all in both dry and wet modes, eliminating up to 99% of window stains. Its commitment to safety is also commendable. With a sophisticated combination of gyroscope edge detection, an AI-powered emergency response system, and a built-in 20-minute uninterruptible power supply, the Etry offers protection and peace of mind far above standard expectations. The UL Safety Certification and ASTM-tested 13-foot safety rope, capable of withstanding 550 pounds of force, make it ideal for use even in high-rise environments. Its AI Smart Navigation 3.0 system allows it to adapt intelligently to both framed and frameless glass. Its reliable AI, robust safety, and strong cleaning power make the Etry one of the most balanced and reliable options in the robotic window cleaning market. Number 5. Tosima Window Cleaning Robot. Cleaning windows no longer has to be a time-consuming or physically demanding task, thanks to the Tosima Window Cleaning Robot. This innovative device brings a whole new level of convenience and efficiency to household cleaning with its smart AI 3.0 path planning system. Designed to intelligently map out the most effective route across glass surfaces, it ensures every inch is cleaned with precision. Whether you're dealing with high windows or glass doors, the Tosima adapts quickly, delivering consistent, streak-free results that elevate the look of your home or office. The heart of the Tosima's performance lies in its powerful suction motor and microfiber cleaning pads. These components work together to remove dust, fingerprints, and grime with impressive effectiveness. From everyday smudges to tougher stains, the robot leaves your windows crystal clear. When it comes to safety, Tosima doesn't cut corners. Its anti-fall sensors and secure attachment system ensure it stays firmly in place, even on vertical or tall windows. You can rest easy knowing it won't tumble off while in use. This smart safety integration makes it ideal for use on second-story windows or tall glass panels in modern homes. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.